Good afternoon, students. Today, accountancy. Last class we all studied ledger account. Sum number 1 finished. Ledger account means ledger account is a very useful of business, enterprise or business organization. Its set of account is namely personal account, real account and nominal account. The ledger account open maintaining based on journal entry. Listen, students. Journal entry. Based on journal entry, the opened of ledger account is maintained based on ledger journal account. Okay, students, today sum number 2. Listen, students, you write one by one class work, you enter the sums. Okay, this is a very important sums. The sums compulsory 3 marks or 5 marks is compulsory. I explain, everybody note it down. This sums I explain already. So many sums discussed last class. Today second sum. Give a journal entry from the following transaction. Post them to ledger. Year 2015 March. First one, goods sold to Somu on credit. Listen, students, you read 2 or 3 times, you read in question. You 2 or 3 times you read means automatically you identify easy to which one is incoming, which one is outgoing, easy to understood. Okay. Listen, students, incoming means what? DR. Outgoing is CR. Incoming is DR. Outgoing content is CR only. Second question. Furniture purchased for cash. Next one, interest received. Okay. First one, goods sold to Somu on credit. Goods sold to Somu on credit. But Somu is incoming. Sales means outgoing. Goods is outgoing. Somu account only incoming. Somu account DR. Sales account CR. Narration you write credit sale. Credit sale. Second one. Date number 7. Furniture purchased for cash. Furniture purchased for cash. Which one is incoming? Your home or new furniture you purchased. Means incoming, which one? Furniture is incoming. Your cash is outgoing. Your cash is outgoing. That is furniture account DR. Cash account CR. Next one, date number 15. Interest received. Interest received. Interest received means which is indirectly cash. Cash account DR. Interest received account CR. Cash account DR. Interest received account CR. Narration is interest received. Listen, students, three questions only you write easy. First you write journal entry. Afterward, journal entry you use only in single page only. Ledger only you write double page. Okay. Ledger account means the top line, blue color line. First you write ledger account. Okay. First you, how many account this journal entry, how many ledger you created. Okay. First one is Somu. Listen. Somu account journal entry. Second one, sales account. Third one, furniture. Fourth one, cash. Fifth one, interest received. How many ledgers you created? 5 ledger heading. Listen students, note it down. 5 ledger 1, 2, 3 you write for journal entry finished when afterwards you write 5 ledger account. First one is Somu account. Next one sales account. Next one furniture. Next one cash. Fifth one is interest received account. Okay students, you easy to write this sum. This chapter you clearly you understood means each afterwards each and every chapter you easy you understood. Okay. Next one, sum number 3. Listen students, clearly watch this video. Next you compulsory you write your classwork this sums. Each and every students, next day live class I am compulsory each and every student show your classwork this chapter. Okay. Next one, sum number 3. Post journal entries for the following transaction and post them to ledger. In 2017 August, first one, Dharma started a business with cash. Next one, cash received from Ganesan. Next one, rent paid. Next one, received commission from Anand. Received commission from Anand. Okay, listen students, automatically you how much ledger account? Dharma account, cash account, Ganesan account, rent account, commission account. Okay. First, Dharma started a business with cash 70,000. Started a business with cash means, or you write compulsory this entry is 2 mark question, or in activity fill up dash and dash is compulsory this method question. Dharma started a business with cash means cash account DR, capital account CR. Cash account DR, capital account CR. Narration, amount invest in business. Second journal, cash received from Ganesan. Cash received from Ganesan. Cash received from Ganesan. One Ganesan person, that person is another person. Cash is received from that person. Okay. Cash is incoming. Outgoing is Ganesan. Ganesan amount only reduce. Okay. Cash account DR, Ganesan account CR. Next one. Listen students. Cash account DR, Ganesan account CR. Next one. Rent paid. Rent paid. You rent paid means automatically your cash is incoming or outgoing. You 1 or 2 times you clearly you read. You 1 or 2 times you read means automatically you one idea or you easy to guessing which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. Rent paid. Paid means automatically cash is outgoing. Cash is outgoing means rent account DR, cash account CR. Narration is rent paid. Next one, received commission from Anand. Received commission from Anand. The received means automatically incoming. Which one is incoming? Cash is incoming. Cash account DR, commission account CR. Cash account DR, commission account CR. Okay students, you note it down this journal entry. You clearly 1 or 2 times question you read. Afterwards you write journal entry. Journal entry you finished means next you write how many you created, how many ledger account. How many ledger account? Cash account, Dharma capital account, Ganesan account, rent account, commission received account. Totally 5 account you created in journal. Ledger account. Ledger account you write compulsory double side paper. You write neatly, students. Next one. Sum number 4. Listen, you compulsory book back sum, very important. Same time illustration also. Book back is 50% important, means 50 other 50 percentage you compulsory in illustration sums. Okay. Next one, sum number 4. Record the following transaction in the journal entry. Banu and post the ledger 2018 September. Commenced with business with cash. Same lost sum. This type of entry. What? Cash account DR. Capital account is CR. Next one. Rent received. Rent paid means outgoing cash. But this sum, rent is received means cash is incoming. Rent account is CR. First one, started a business. Business with cash means cash account DR, capital account CR. Second one, rent received. Rent received means automatically cash is incoming, rent is outgoing. Rent received account. Next one, 12. Date number 12. Purchased 6 tables from Gobu and Co for cash. Purchased 6 tables Gopu and Co for cash. You purchased 6 tables or 6 dining table or costly furniture you purchased means incoming is which one? Goods is incoming. Furniture is incoming. Your cash only in outgoing. Your cash is outgoing means furniture account DR, cash account CR. Furniture account DR, your cash account CR. Okay. Listen, students, 3 listen, 3 questions journal entry, 3 journal entry only. You write easy to you write ledger account. You 3 journal entry finished means how many ledger account this sum? Automatically cash account. Next one, capital account, rent received account, furniture account. Totally 4 account only, a ledger account you created. Some students ledger account very easy only. I am telling again one time ledger account. Cash account is which side? First, cash is DR means you write DR side, downward word only you write. Downward which one is? Capital. To capital account only you write. Next, date number 5 on rent received. Cash account is DR. Rent received account is CR. Cash is which side? DR. You write DR side. To rent received account you write. Okay. Compulsory, listen students, the both side, CR side and DR side, both side evenly you write. Evenly line you put straight line. DR and CR same line only you write the total. Okay. Listen, one side is highest total, another side is lowest total means you put insert in some balancing figure. Balancing figure is easy to highest total means lowest total. Highest total minus lowest total means you one answer is reflected. That answer is balancing figure. Highest total means DR side is 94,000 means CR side only 4,000. Only 6,000 means how much you insert the amount. Highest total is how much? 94,000. Lowest total is 6,000. Minus 6,000 means automatically balancing is how much? 88,000. You enter 88,000 means the same side is 94,000. Listen students, I am teaching this sum first time. No, I am teaching so many times this sum live class and recorded class. So many times I am this method of sum teached. Okay, you listen, you write carefully the journal and ledger. Already so many classes this sum I explained. Okay, next sum today. Yesterday this method of fifth one. Yesterday this method of sum one we are discussed. What entry? What method sum? This method sum. That is opening journal entry. Opening journal entry. Very easy only this method sum. Listen students, you read carefully. Cash is which? Asset or liability? Asset worry mostly this opening entry is mostly asset oriented content is highest content. Cash is DR. Listen, I read first I carefully. Watch my everybody. The following balance prepared the book of the Vinod on Jan 2018 asset. Listen, note it down asset. Okay. Cash 40,000, stock 50,000, amount due from Ram 20,000, machine 40,000, liability, amount due to Vijay 10,000. Okay, listen students, this sum you write only in single page. The top column in the book of Mr. Vinod account opening entry. Listen student, this method is important. Compulsory 3 mark or 5 mark sum. This method sum note it down. Listen students, each and every sum the open account pay accountancy note that corner page you write what? Question number and page number compulsory you write that corner only. Okay, no need you write your question. That identification only that you write the question number and with page number, book page number you write. Okay. Listen students, this method what? Opening entry. Opening entry sum. Okay, first cash account is DR. Stock is DR. Next one, Ramu account DR. Mission is DR. Okay. Next one, Vijay. Listen students, you write this word already in divided in which one is asset, which one is liability is clearly divided in question. Liability is amount of due to Vijay 10,000. Pause opening journal entry. The Vinod capital account. Post them Vinod capital account. Okay. This is how much? Cash is 40, stock 50,000, RAM 20,000, machine 40,000. How much? Totally how much? Totally 40,000, 50,000, 90,000 plus 20,000, 1,10,000, 1,50,000 totally 1,50,000. But liability side what? Liability side amount of due to Vijay 10,000 only. Okay, liability side only 10,000 only liability. But this side is highest value. That side only 10,000 only means same amount is. You now listen students, you do not write in total. Okay, how much of capital is Vinod capital. Only you identify how much of Vinod capital. That time your total value is 1,50,000 minus 10,000 is balance is 1,40,000. That is what? To Vinod capital amount. That is Vinod capital account. You write only this word. Narration is being a balance brought forward. Compulsory you write being a balance brought forward. Okay, students, listen. You this is very easy. This sum. First you write asset oriented content. Next one you liability side is very less content. The capital is more than 100% you reflected only in liability side only. Capital is liability side only. The liability side 10,000 only you write. But this side is 1,50,000 means automatically how much investment in Vinod capital means highest total minus lowest total means that amount is insert. You may insert means automatically that amount is Vinod capital. This insert amount is how much? 1,40,000. Okay, listen students, today for sum clearly I explained this for sum number 1 to 5 sums compulsory. Each and every students you copy down in your class work, accountancy class work. No, do not write in rough note or any old note. You write only in accountancy, new accountancy note only you write students. You write clearly. Do not write in overwriting. Do not touch in whitener. Okay. You write clearly. Okay students. Next class we are discuss next one new chapter. New chapter no new methods of sums. Okay. Thank you students.